Hello, this is Christy. Let me give you a quick tip on how to move your projects in bulk in Descript. This is a feature that's been requested for a long time. When you have lots and lots of projects, you create them all over the place and they don't live in nice folders and everything else. So, your drive becomes a mess. But there is a way now from a couple of months ago where Descript allows you to move projects in bulk, not just one by one like before. This is very easy to do. Just go to your Descript drive when you open it up, go to the workspace, identify the location where those projects are, and now when you hover your mouse on the left sidebar, you can see a checkbox. You can check this checkbox to move your projects like this. You select all of them, and then you can right-click and say, Move to. Now, this move is going to ask you which folder you want to move them to. So I want to move them to an old project folder. You see, most of these are classic projects I probably don't need anymore. So I'm going to make a folder first. Go to the top here, create new folder, and let's call this one Old Projects. Click Create Folder. And now that is the folder. The projects are selected. I can right click, move to, and Descript is showing me an entire list of all of the drives that I have access to, and the current drive that I am on is open up. And this is where I am right now. And I want to move these projects down here. Select that old projects folder that I just created and click Move. In a second or two, it's going to say, I'm moving this. And it says that project access could change depending on where the projects are moved to. This warning means you have your private space also on your drive. So when you move a project into the private workspace, if you have other members on your drive that are supposedly having access to your projects, moving the projects in the private workspace will remove access from those people. So the private workspace is obviously a place where you can create just your own projects that only you have access to. So this is why this warning, because you may be moving these projects to your private space. So that's just a warning to say that some people might lose access if they have access to this. And I think this applies to also projects that you shared with others by inviting them directly to them. I'm not sure about this because I haven't tested it. So there you go. I am ready to move my 7 projects to my old projects folder. Click Move 7 projects, and it takes a few seconds because all these changes have to be communicated to the cloud as well. There you go. Projects moved successfully. If I go inside of that folder now, here they are. So this operation does not require you to download those projects to your machine and doesn't lose them or anything. You just move them and there's like a reference changed in the cloud to where they live. And this is how you tidy up your Descript drive. I hope this tip was useful, and I think in the future we're going to have an operation to also delete projects in bulk. Let's hope that's coming soon because I have a lot of old projects I want to delete. And there you go. If you find this useful, I hope you subscribe to my channel and also check out my membership, MediaMakers.club, for free Descript courses, Camtasia courses, Q&A sessions, and one-on-one coaching discounts with me. I hope to see you there. Thank you.